Hi, I'm Brandon Peters, President and co-owner of Tri-County Enterprises. Tri-County is local and long-standing, servicing eastern Iowa for nearly 30 years. If it's on the outside of your home, we handle it. With us, you'll put a face to the name, know exactly when your project will start and finish, and get the best craftsmanship in the area. Here's how we have you covered when it comes to windows and doors. Windows and doors boost your curb appeal and energy efficiency. Best of all, we install windows and doors throughout the year, so there's no reason to wait. Expect our team to take precise measurements for the perfect fit and install your windows and doors in a matter of hours. The doors we offer are ENERGY STAR approved, highly durable, and a favorite of architects. We offer several types of windows, including vinyl, fiberglass, and wood. All of these options come in various profiles and styles, so you don't have to settle for boring white windows. They can be made in just about any color, so be sure to ask if you have a color in mind. Vinyl windows are not created equally. We have the expertise to know a good window from a bad window. Our brands are made with the best vinyl, the best glass, and the best hardware you can get. With our specifications, we have 14 layers of coating on the glass to make it super energy efficient. We even have a treatment that helps windows rinse clean when it rains, literally self-cleaning glass. Fiberglass windows are the strongest material you can get. Since the entire window is glass, you won't have a problem with mixing materials like wood and vinyl. When the glass expands or contracts, so does the frame, so you won't have seals that fail, which is a common problem with other materials. Fiberglass gives a clean, rich look that can't be achieved with vinyl, and keeps that look without the maintenance of wood. Wood windows by far are the most beautiful and natural looking window on the market. Wood windows can be painted or stained with aluminum cladding on the exterior for protection against the elements, and they can be customized to match your design preferences. No matter what product is right for your home, you get the same quality installation for your windows through Tri-County Enterprises. As you think about your project, know we're here to help. Give us a call at 319-364-2220 or visit tricounty-iowa.com. Hope to work with you soon.